Is your vehicle throwing a trouble code due to a malfunctioning throttle position sensor? Don't worry, the perfect solution is here. Our OEM-quality throttle position sensor replacement ensures the highest level of performance, matching the original factory unit in build quality and reliability. Designed to seamlessly replace the faulty part, this sensor will restore your vehicle's performance and ensure smooth operation without the hassle of dealing with constant error codes. Replacing the throttle position sensor is straightforward and can be done with minimal tools. Simply remove the harness cable, remember to remove the red locking clip, undo the 2 Torx screws, be cautious as they may be slightly corroded and could strip if not handled gently, and install the new sensor in place. Once installed, reset the codes, and you're good to go. The entire process is quick and easy, and you'll enjoy reliable performance without any further issues. This replacement sensor not only offers an exact fit for your vehicle but also delivers long-lasting durability. It's engineered to handle the demands of your engine, ensuring that your vehicle continues to perform at its best. With excellent reviews from customers who have trusted this part, you can be confident in its quality and reliability. Don't let a malfunctioning throttle position sensor affect your driving experience. Click the link in the description to buy this high-quality replacement part and get your vehicle back to optimal performance today.